If OneNote is giving you error 2002, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you two simple fixes that can help you sign back in and get OneNote working again. This is a common login issue, especially when Microsoft Office has a corrupted identity entry or when a network proxy setting is interfering with your connection. So stay with me, follow the steps carefully, and by the end of this tutorial you should have a much better chance of fixing the problem. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, close all Office apps completely. That means OneNote, Word, Excel, Outlook, and anything else connected to Microsoft Office. It's important to fully close them before making any changes because we want to avoid conflicts while editing Windows settings. Now press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run box. In the Run box, type regedit, then click OK. This opens the Registry editor, where we'll remove the stored identity data that may be causing the OneNote sign-in error. Once Registry editor opens, carefully navigate to this path, HKEY_current_user, then software, then Microsoft, then Office, then 16.0, then common, then identity. Take your time here and make sure you're in the correct location because editing the registry in the wrong place can cause problems. When you find the Identities folder, right-click it and select Delete. Confirm the deletion if Windows asks you to. This step removes the cached OneNote or Office identity information that may be corrupted and triggering error 2002. After that, restart your PC. This is very important because the registry change won't fully apply until after a reboot. Once your computer starts back up, try signing into OneNote again and check whether the error is gone. If you still see the problem, the next thing to check is your internet and proxy settings. Again, press the Windows key and R, type internetcpl.cpl and click OK. This opens Internet Properties, which controls some of the system-level connection settings used by Office apps. Go to the Connections tab and then click LAN Settings. In this window, look for the option that says Use a proxy server for your LAN. If that box is checked, uncheck it. A bad proxy configuration can stop OneNote from connecting properly to Microsoft services. Next, make sure the box that says Automatically Detect Settings is checked. This allows Windows to find the correct network settings on its own, which often fixes sign-in and sync issues. Once you've made those changes, click OK, then click Apply if needed, and close out of the windows. After that, open OneNote again and try signing in one more time. These two fixes solve a lot of OneNote error 2002 cases, clearing the Office identity registry entry and correcting proxy settings. If the first fix doesn't work, the second one often does, so it's worth trying both in order. If this tutorial helped you fix OneNote error 2002, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows and Microsoft Office troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.